This is ECAA 2021, Section 1, Question 7. So we're told that the price of an item P is reduced by 10% and then increased by 10% the next day, and the price of Q is increased by 10% and then reduced by 10% the next day. And we're asked, how does the price of each compare to the original price? So let's focus on these one at a time and calculate how the price is going to be different. So let's start with P. Let's say that the original price is about £100, so that makes it easy for calculations. We want to find 10% of it in order to reduce it by 10%. So to do that, we just have to divide by 10, and that's going to give us £10. So for a 10% reduction, we just need to do the original, take away our 10%, which is 100, take away 10, and we get £90. Now the next day, that is increased by 10%. So we have to find our new 10% of our new value. So that's going to be 90 divided by 10 to give us 9. So our 10% increase is now 90 plus 9 to give us a final total of £99. £99. And if we compare that to the original, we can see that it is lower. So P has reduced, it is lower than the original value. If we then repeat this for Q, and again use the same price as 100, it's nice and easy, we know that 10% of that is going to be 10, so our 10% increase is going to be 100 plus 10, or £110. So that's our new value, and now we have to reduce this by 10%. So to do this, again we're going to divide it by 10 to get our 10%, which is £11. And so our 10% reduction is our new value, 110, take away our 11 to get £99. And again, if we compare this to our original, we can see that it's lower. So both of our prices are lower than the original, and therefore our answer is A.